Hey everyone, the POCO C85, a new entry-level smartphone from Xiaomi, is now available under the POCO brand. It is obviously positioned as one of the company's most reasonably priced products. The C85 stands out despite its low price point thanks to a few unexpectedly powerful features that elevate it above the status of a simple phone. The plastic body seems durable enough for daily use, and the design is straightforward and unassuming. A sizable rectangular camera module with 2 lenses and an LED flash is located on the back. The power button, which also functions as a fingerprint scanner, and the volume buttons are located on the right side. For those who require additional storage, the SIM tray on the left side may accommodate 2 SIM cards and a micro SD card at the same time. In accordance with the IP64 standard, the tray also has a rubber seal, providing the phone with a minimal degree of dust and splash protection. A 3.5mm headphone jack, a microphone, a single loudspeaker grill, and a Type-C charging connector are located at the bottom. The device's display is among its most unexpected features. A 6.9-inch IPS panel with 1600 by 720 pixel resolution and a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz is a feature of the C85. The display is fully readable outside thanks to its maximum brightness of about 800 nits in manual mode and up to 1100 nits in auto brightness when exposed to sunlight. A considerate feature for everyday usage, POCO has now incorporated V-Touch 2.0 technology, which enables fluid touch response even with greasy or damp fingertips. The POCO C85's battery life is yet another advantage. The phone has a sizable 6000 mAh battery that may last for more than a full day between charges. It can recharge almost half of the battery in 30 minutes thanks to its 33-watt fast charging capability. The phone may also be used as a power bank to charge other gadgets thanks to its reversible Type-C connector. However, performance is still modest. The MediaTek Helio G81 Ultra and octa-core CPU, both 6 gigs RAM and 128 gigs of storage and 8 gigs RAM and 256 gigs of storage are available. According to benchmark findings, Antutu has about 249,000 points, which is sufficient for simple tasks like messaging, calls, streaming, and social media browsing, but not the best for multitasking or intense gaming. The camera system consists of an 8-megapixel secondary lens for portrait photography and a 50-megapixel Samsung primary sensor with AI improvements. The visual quality is mediocre, as might be anticipated given the price. The tiny sensor performs poorly in low light, producing soft and grainy photographs, while photos shot in daylight are fine with respectable detail. Video recording has no stabilization and is limited to 1080p. All things considered, the POCO C85 provides outstanding value for its incredibly low cost. It is a smartphone that offers the necessities at a low cost: a large display, robust battery life, modern design, and dependable connectivity. Its mediocre performance and somewhat bulky software, which can occasionally cause slowdowns, are its principal weaknesses. Nevertheless, the POCO C85 turns out to be a sensible and well-rounded option for kids, casual users, or anybody else in need of a trustworthy backup device. It's one of the most comprehensive ultra-budget smartphones on the market right now, especially when you take into account its pricing, extensive accessory selection, and well-known brand. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.